You know what I'm saying? This idea of evolution that we have is a made up, fucked up thing that white people gave you. iPhone 6, then iPhone 7, then iPhone 8. It's the illusion that you're moving on. All you did was get a phone with bigger or smaller. Do you even realize how fucked up that is? You on iPhone 9, they started with 1. It's really just a phone that does the same thing. But in your mind, you've gone someplace. And I said this, I think in my last class. If I said to you right now, I have a flip phone. It went like this shit. Whoa, just because I had a flip phone. I would get no pussy from a girl in the club because I have a flip phone. If I'm talking to a girl, you want some Hennessy, and I say, hold on for a second, and pull out a flip phone, it's over. Over a flip phone. A phone that does the same thing as you're not. Psychologically, what does that tell you? First of all, it should tell you niggas you're under mind control. That the fact that phones dictate how you see socially, intellectually, sexually another individual. If she pulled out a flip phone, I'm like, I'm about to fuck crazy. Let me back off. You know what I'm saying? So it's showing you psychologically how you're actually being controlled. So it should tell you you're under mind control.